Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Snapchat account banned. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back to your home screen and from here search for any browser. Tap on Google and search for this Snapchat supports. Tap on Snapchat supports and tap on this and tap on first link Snapchat supports. Tap on this. From here you have select third option, my account is compromised. Tap on this. You as can see many option. You have select second option, I cannot access my account. Tap on this and after that from here you have select first option, I think my account was compromised. Tap on this and from here you scroll down and put your information. Tap on Snapchat username and email. Tap on active email and active phone number and from here description you have put your problem and after that tap on submit and after that I hope 24 hours Snapchat team contact your Gmail or phone number and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful then like and subscribe my channel.